Hi, I'm Dave with LED Lighting Supply. In this video, we'll be unboxing the 50 watt HT80, and that's HT is for high temp and 80 is for 80 degrees Celsius. So that's 176 degrees Fahrenheit that these fixtures can withstand. We have a full line from 50 watt up to 450 watt stocked here in our warehouse in New Hampshire. Very rugged, IP66 rated. We do a lot of these for heavy manufacturing facilities that require that high temp rating. So this is the 50 watt HT80. So again, HT80 for 80 degrees Celsius, 176 degrees Fahrenheit. On the front, you got the LED board, just one single module. It's a 110 degree beam angle, and that's what we stock, but we can customize if needed. On the back, you have the trunnion bracket that swivels up by loosening these screws. You also have the eye hook if you want to mount that way. If you want to remove that, undo that bolt, remove the eye hook, and you can surface mount where needed. And then our information here on the electrical requirements for this. We do stock the 100 to 277, but we also do have high voltage if you need that as well. Wire cord here, about 3 feet long. These are non-dimmable. Take a look at the heat sink here on the back. All these fins are made for optimal ventilation of the driver, because when you're getting to those really high temperatures, you need to have plenty of air circulating around and heat moving off of the driver. If you think that this fixture could be the right fit for your application, please feel free to reach out to one of our lighting specialists and we can point you in the right direction.